Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the two add-ins we're going to need for the second half of our course if you have a Windows machine. Problem is I don't have a Windows machine, I have a Mac. So man, how am I going to do this? Oh, Windows, yes. So let's say you are on your Windows machine and you follow the instructions I put in our syllabus to where to go to the company's website to purchase and download the add-in. And once you have that, you probably will save it somewhere on your computer. I saved, they're going to give you a zip file, right? And I saved that zip file here, probability toolkit student files.zip. I save it on my desktop. So if you double click on this guy, it's going to show you the contents of that zipped compressed file. So you can extract, see this, extract them to some directory somewhere. I recommend you save this in a place that is reasonably stable, that you're not going to be messing with. For example, could be the directory you have in your computer for all the files of our course. Save it somewhere you know it's going to be there and you're not going to be moving it. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to save it on the desktop. That's fine. So I'll extract it to the desktop. And now I have this new folder here with these files. And the key files are going to be the XLAM, the macro files that will have the add-in, all the add-in commands in them. Great. So once you have that, it is important that on Windows you do the following. You right-click on, so both, these are the two important files, SimVoi XLAM, TreePlan XLAM. Right-click on them, okay, and then there's a Properties tab, and in there might be, because it's a macro file, there might be a message here saying, oh, this is a macro file, do you want to consider it safe and allow it to run and whatnot. Mine is not showing this, and let me see if it's showing this in some other sub-tab here or not. Not really, but if you see something like this here asking you to give it permission to run or etc., you should click allow for that to happen, and so you don't have any problems. Okay, and then if that's the case, you would click the apply button here. Alright, let me check the second one. So you should do this for both of them. Properties, and again there's nothing here, so it seems like we are safe. Good. So after this step, you open your Excel. Alright, go here to File, Options, and then AddIns, and then Excel, Manage Excel Add-ins, Go. And here's your list of add-ins, and you probably have Solver in there. So then we want to add these two add-ins to this list. So we're going to go to Browse and navigate to the place where we save that folder with all these files. So in our case, that folder, I put it in the desktop, right? So I'm going to go there and look for the Probability Toolkit folder here. And I'm going to do this once for each add-in. So let's see the tree add-in. I click on it, click OK, and it says copy to the add-ins folder. Yes. Now see, it's here showing, right? And I'll do that again for the simulation one. You know, I realized that already exists. Replace it. Sure. In our case, it's not going to already exist because, you know, it's the first time you're doing it. Maybe I did it. I did the tree one twice. Maybe I did that. Yes. So let me see where. Oh yeah. So I have to navigate again because the second time I did it, it sent me to the place where it saved the add-in. So let me navigate to the desktop again, where both of them are, and then I take the simulation one, and I can copy it over. Maybe the choice here is, do you want to save it within the subtree of directories that the Excel installation itself has, or keep it in that, you know, directory that you created? That's the choice. Either way would work fine. So I'm going to say yes. Now I have both of them. SimVoi, check and make sure it's checked. TreePlan, it's checked. And then when I click OK, it will install them. And now to double check that the installation is working and good to go, we should try to activate the two add-ins. To activate the tree add-in on Windows, you press the following key combination. Hold down Control, hold down Shift, and then the letter T as in Tom. And you should see this appear, right? The TreePlan asking you to build a new tree. Great. Then we can cancel this for now. We're going to learn how to do this in class. And to check that the simulation add-in is working, you hold down Control, hold down Shift, and then the letter V as in Vincent. Press that. You should see this appear. If so, you're good to go. Now, sometimes, even though it might have worked the first time, another day that you open the sheet, the add-ins don't come up when you press those key combinations. When that happens, what I have found, works almost every time, if not every time, is you go back there, File, Options, Add-ins, Manage Add-ins, Go. You go in here, you uncheck them. So SimVoi I uncheck, TreePlan I uncheck, and I click OK. And then I go back there to recheck those boxes. And this should take care of the problem if they, went dormant and stopped working, stopped responding to those key combinations. And then you press OK. And now they should be alive again, right? I'm going to check the tree worked, and I'm going to check the simulation one. It also worked. Okay? So that's it, how to install the add-ins for Windows. I'll see you guys in class, and we're going to learn how to use these. See you later. Bye-bye.